Delhi High Court will now resume hearing on the plea filed by Max Hospitals over ongoing oxygen crisis in the national capital today. In fact, the court yesterday directed the centre to ensure oxygen supply to Delhi, said that it is the centre's responsibility to assist the state's needs. Wrapping the union government, the court said that the government has to see the reality and protect citizens' lives, while it asked Kejriwal government to ensure that the oxygen there allocated by the centre is supplied to hospitals. To deal with the emergency, the centre has now allocated 480 metric tons of oxygen to the national capital from various suppliers, as the court asked the government to ensure its smooth transportation. Assuring the court, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta has now said that the allocation of oxygens will be done with immediate effect to Delhi, but while he also sought time for further argument here. This comes as branches of Max hospitals across Delhi were about to run out of oxygen supply. Several other hospitals have also now are currently left with only few hours more of oxygen supply.
बुधवार को कोर्ट से मिली फटकार के बाद केंद्र सरकार जागी और दिल्ली के तमाम अस्पतालों में ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई आसपास के इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया से होने लगी है। इस वक्त हम लोग मैक्स पटपड़गंज पर हैं। यहाँ पर भी चंद घंटों की ऑक्सीजन बची थी और कोविड के मरीजों के लिए जो सबसे जरूरी चीज इस वक्त है वो ऑक्सीजन है और इसकी सप्लाई उत्तर प्रदेश और हरियाणा के आसपास के इलाकों के जो इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया है वहां से अब की जा रही है। तमाम अस्पतालों को लेकर के दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल ने यह कहा था कि चंद घंटों की ऑक्सीजन बची है और अब ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई इन अस्पतालों में धीरे धीरे बढ़ाई जा रही है। ये स्थिति तब है जब दिल्ली में अस्पतालों में बेड्स की संख्या कम है, इसके साथ ही आईसीयू के बेड्स की संख्या कोविड के मरीजों के लिए लगातार घटती जा रही है।
Anisha Mathur reporting live from Delhi to give us a perspective here on the hearing that will continue today. Anisha, the High Court will again take up the matter. It's already wrapped the union government, asking the centre to look at the reality on ground and cater to the needs with immediate effect. What more did the court observe?
Yesterday's hearing was an unusual one, considering that it started at around 7:30 p.m. and then once again at around 9:20 p.m. The court has made two things very, very clear. They want the centre to do everything. In fact, the word they used was beg, borrow or steal, but you must arrange for oxygen. You cannot let citizens die. That is the bottom line that the court has created now for the central government, that you do whatever you have to, but you must arrange for oxygen. The second thing that the court has said, that they are not satisfied with the measures that have been taken so far. In fact, they had asked why transfer of industrial oxygen to medical users was not done faster. What the centre has claimed, however, is that they are doing things as fast as they can, that the decision was taken and the technological transfer will take some time. On the other side, the Delhi government had once again reiterated that while the quota of oxygen for Delhi has been increased, that is still not enough. The centre has now said that they are giving 458 metric tons of oxygen to Delhi per day, but the Delhi government has said that considering the sheer number of patients in the city, we need more oxygen, and that is something that the centre still needs to work out. So we'll have to wait and see what happens in the hearing today, while the court had asked for urgent transfer of oxygen to the Max hospitals at least, and the hospitals that were running out of oxygen just yesterday.
Anisha, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.